Alright, hey guys, this is Turbo Unicorn, and I am here with another episode yet again. Now, I'm here to show you a pretty exciting website called Sratch. Now, Sratch is basically a nice little website where it uses programming blocks very easy. All you have to do is drag and drop them into place. Now, just for this video, I set up a quick account with my avatar and my username. Now, what you're going to want to do is go to create. Now, what this website is all about is using programming to create videos. This may take a while if it's your first time trying. Now, I have loaded a quick sprite. Now, what a sprite is it's basically a picture or video that you can use programming blocks, as you can see here, to make them do things. Now, like for instance, I would say move 10 steps. I would click that and drag it over. But first, we must create a command to start it. Now, what you're going to do is go to scripts, which is basically all the programming blocks you can use. Now, what would you do? Events. When this little flag means start the video. So, when the start button is clicked, then take 10 steps. Do you see how that quick program can easily be used? Or if you go into control, I could do repeat 10 times. Now he moves across the screen. See, it's very easy. Or you could do a backdrop, which is basically like a background. I'm just going to choose a quick file here. And this brings me to my second area, which is called, I know it says backdrops, but it will say costumes for you guys. Now, what costumes is you can come and take pictures like Mr. Scratch Cat up here, which is the Scratch's website, and edit him. Like, you could draw on it like this. I would select the drawing item, click a color, and then draw. Or I could draw a line. I could change this shape. But right now, that doesn't quite fit my screen. So I'm going to select my background and expand it. Yep. And then if I go back to scripts, it will save my changes. Now my background is on my screen. Now sounds, you don't have to, but you can add your own. So I'm not really going to go into that. Now, you guys, I'm not going to tell you everything. You're going to have to look through the programming blocks, yes. I'm not going to give you every single bit of information. I want you to do things on your own, and also, I want you to make the decisions for your video. And how you make a sprite is, like, how would you find the pictures for your images? You would just, new sprite, you know all that stuff. Go to Google Images really quick. Go to Google Images. Let's search something. Bacon. Alright, let's choose that. Now, you know the protocol. Just save image as, and save. Then, when we go back, I would go to my sprite, upload sprite, click my picture, and then it uploads. Now, if you don't want this on the screen at the time, you could just go events, when this clicked, looks, and then hide it. Now, here's also the title screen. You can just title it whatever you want. And also, now that you've learned how to make the video, I'm gonna show you how to set up your account. So when I would go to profile, when you first get on Sratch, you will see this. Also, guys, if you are really interested in this, you could try this. It will say log in or sign up. You're going to want to click sign up, and it will bring you to this. It says I'm a new scratcher, but you have to be like a year to be an experienced scratcher. You don't have to answer these, but I suggest you do because it gets you more viewers. You could add your profile picture, which is just you download a file from Google Images like I just showed you, and then choose it for your profile picture. And you can enter your username. You also need a parent or guardian's email, but you can just use your own if that's what floats your boat. Now, that's all for now. I think this is pretty good explanatory, sorry, blah. Now, if you want to search my videos on here, I've only got one out currently, but that's because I've only had it for a couple days. And you gotta remember, these two take some time. So, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all later. Good night.